Today on Mom to Mom, we have a home decor hack using a planter. I found this really cute idea again from an influencer on social media and thought, why not try this and see how well it works out? Well, I will tell you, not all these work out perfectly. In fact, I had some trouble with this one, but I still wanted to do it because it's such a brilliant idea, and there's other ways that you can incorporate this in your home. So this is home decor hack that I absolutely love, using this planter right here. That you can get any size planter that you want. It usually works best using a pizza pan that is about 16 inches. So what you want to do is grab that pizza pan, head over to the home and garden department, and just kind of set the pizza pan on top of these planters until you find the one that you want. This one is so cool because you can throw your sports stuff in here for the kiddos, decorate it how you want. Here's where I failed on this. The girl had black spray paint, but when you go to use it on a non-stick pan, it cracks like this. I tried every way. I tried to sand it. I tried to put primer on it. It didn't work for me. However, I will say that I did like the natural look of the pizza pan. So I will buy another pizza pan and just leave it plain and stick it on the top just like this, creating a tabletop. So you can put all kinds of decorations on top, stick it outside, and enjoy it. They also have gold pizza pans as well. So the gold wouldn't look bad with it either. So if you have any wonderful ideas or you figure out how to make this work with spray paint, I would love to hear it. You can post it to our Facebook page, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.